Calculating moving averages is what we are going to see in this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, we have seen how we predict, the trend and so on. Now we are going to see how do we get the averages that we use to draw the line of best fit. Now, I'm going to use a simple example here, which we are going just to help us know how we calculate. So the example says the data below shows the height of a child collected over a period of 8 years. So this was a child that we collected in the first year, second, third, fourth, fifth, eighth, seventh. Sixth, eighth, seventh, and then 8th year. So we are 8 years. Every year we are collecting the data. So in the first year up to the 8th year. Now, the moving that compute a 3-year moving average of the data. Then 4 point, this one shouldn't confuse you. You are also collecting now the average for 4 moving average, then 5 point moving average. I'm going to hand the first two to try out part C in your free time. Now, if they ask you to calculate that 3 year, it means that you are going to take the average of 3 items. So, now, these are the figures I had from the question. They are over 8 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if they ask me to calculate a 3-year moving average, it means that I'm going to take a set of 3. What I do, the first set is this, and this. So those are 3. What I do, I get their average. You know that in average you get the sum over the number. So they are sum over their number. So that's why we are calling them averages. So I take the set of 36, this and this. So I get their sum, then I divide it with a 3. So then I add this and this, divide by 3, this is what I get. Now, to get the next now, you drop this. Now you take the next. So when I drop this, the next 3 are this, and this. That's why you see that I'm adding this. I drop this, I get this and this, then I add on the other to make them 3. So that's then when you divide them by 3, you get that. In the next now, I drop this. Now I take the next 3. 1, 2, 3. That's why I see that the third is from here up to here. As you see. Then I divide them by 3, I get that. Then to get the next, I cover this. So now I'm going to take this, and this. 72 plus 84 plus 96 divided by 3 to get 84. I cover this, I take the next 3. I take this, and this. That's how we see this pair is here. Divide by 3 to get this. When I cover this, I take now this, and this. The next set, I divide with the 3, this is what I get. Now when I cover this one, you start they will be 200. So which can't make a set of 3. So that's where I will stop. As long as you start the pair, the sets you want are not big, but then you stop there. So instead when I cover this, I'll be remaining with the 2, which can form a set of 3. So I stop there. So that those will be how we calculate this moving averages. As simple as that. When we come now to a 4-point moving average, now we are taking 4 items. That's why you see the first is from this, and this. So now we are taking 4. So when you take their sum, then you divide by 4 because they're talking about 4 moving averages. When you add them, divide it with 4, this is the figure I get. Of course, the units we are given in centimeters because we are taking the height. Now, when I come to the next, now you cover this, now you take the next 4. You see this one, now we drop 36. Now we take these ones and we add the next. You see this, and then this. That's why it's running from here up to here. So that's why we start from 48, 60, 70. Then we add on that the one which is going to replace this one we have dropped, which is now 84. Well, now I have also 48. Now I got 48. I bring in this and this. Then I add 96. Then I drop also 60. When I drop 60, I'll be having 72, 84, 96. Then I add on 104 to make a set of 4 because here we are calculating for a 4. Now when I drop the next, I start now with 84, 96, 108 plus 120, and that will be the last set. then I get its average. So there are 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4. This is what I get. Now when I cover this one, I'll be having 3. So to can't make a set of 4 items, that's where I stop. So I can't go further, any further, because the sets want to be 4. So that's how you get, or that's how you catch it, the moving averages. Now you're going to see how do you apply this data to the graph. The next lesson, you need to be having a graph paper. Of course, I wish you well.